Have you ever wondered how to make money by just answering surveys? Welcome to the world of Paid Viewpoint, a unique platform that turns your opinions into earnings. It's an exclusive survey site that offers you the chance to make money, no matter where you are in the world. The primary way to earn? Simply by completing surveys. No ads, no other offers, just straightforward, easy to take, multiple choice surveys. Sounds interesting, right? Let's dive in and see how you can start earning. Getting started with Paid Viewpoint is easy and straightforward. All you need to do is head over to their website and hit the sign up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information like your email, name, and password. Rest assured, your information is secure and is only used to match you with relevant surveys. You might be wondering, what if I'm not from the United States? Well, the beauty of Paid Viewpoint is that it's a global platform. Whether you're in Iceland, India, or Indonesia, you're welcome to join. This inclusivity makes Paid Viewpoint a truly universal site for online earners, no matter where in the world they are. Once you've filled in your details, simply click on Create Account. And voila, you're all set. You now have access to a dashboard brimming with opportunities to make money by simply sharing your opinion. Once you're signed up, you're ready to start earning. Now that you're signed up, let's talk about the exciting part, earning money. So how do you get those digital dollars rolling in? The answer is simple, by completing surveys. Yes, you heard that right. It's as straightforward as sharing your opinion on a variety of topics. What's more, you'll always qualify for the surveys you get. No more getting halfway through a survey only to be told you're not the right fit. How refreshing is that? Each survey you receive is tailored for you, meaning you can dive right in without any hiccups. Now, you might be thinking, sure, but surveys can be long and tedious, right? Well, not on Paid Viewpoint. Here, surveys are generally short, and better yet, they consist of multiple choice questions. This means you won't be spending your valuable time writing lengthy responses. Instead, you can breeze through each survey with a few quick clicks. And guess what? You're not tied to your desktop or laptop. Whether you're waiting for a bus, chilling in a park, or relaxing at home, you can earn money. The flexibility is truly liberating. Simply log in regularly to check for new surveys and you're good to go. And the best part? You can take these surveys on the go right from your mobile device. But wait, there's more! Paid Viewpoint also has a generous referral program. Now here's a deal you won't want to miss. For every single person you invite to join Paid Viewpoint, you can earn up to $25. That's right, every time your referral completes a survey, you'll receive a bonus. And that's not all. Once your earnings reach $15, you can request a payout through PayPal. It's as easy as that. So, not only can you earn by taking surveys, but you can also earn by referring your friends. And there you have it. That's how you can start earning money with Paid Viewpoint. Remember, it's as simple as signing up, checking your dashboard for available surveys, and answering some quick, easy, multiple-choice questions. Also, don't forget about the referral program, where you can earn up to $25 per friend. Once your balance hits $15, you can request a payout through PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to earn online. Thanks for watching.